Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to convert currencies on Bitfinex. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bitfinex.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bitfinex if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So at the top of the screen, as you can see, we have the traders, lenders, about more, we have the sign out, return to platform, and in the middle of the screen, as you can see, we have the start trading button. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and convert currencies on Bitfinex. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, what you need to do is go and find the currency conversion tool on the wallet page. So then when you found the tool, select the cryptocurrency to convert. Of course, you just need to go click first of all on the start trading button. Select the currency to convert in the form drop down menu, choose the currency you want to convert, choose the target currency. In the to drop down menu, select the currency you want to convert to, select the source wallet, choose the wallet where the currency you want to convert is currently held, complete the conversion. So confirm the details and proceed with the conversion. The process is instant and free of charge. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.